Hi, welcome to JD Codes YouTube channel. I have been working on a project for this weekend and I would like to demonstrate the features of the product in my channel, and that's why we are here now. What we are looking on is the UI of our application and it is completely responsive. The core feature of this product is that it can read the data directly from Google Sheets. The data to Google Sheets is currently getting fed by Google Forms. I will start the demo of the application now. This is the area where the data will get loaded from Google Sheets. Currently we are seeing only one record here and it is getting served from this Google Sheets. Now we'll add one more entry to the Google Sheet via this Google form. So I'm submitting the Google form here. Response recorded. Let us check in Google Sheets. Yeah, the recorded response has been received in Google Sheets, so it should reflect in our, it reflected in our application too. So name John, age 28, date of birth is what we have given there, subject English, grade B, feedback good. Here we go, and that's it for the video. If you think this project might help you in any aspect, you can reach me out. Also, we can highly customize this product as per our needs. We can even write the data to Google Sheets directly from our application rather than doing it from Google Forms. Also, please let me know in the comment section if you guys need the video tutorial on how to implement these features in your application. Maybe we will plan it in the future. Thank you. We'll catch up you in the next video.